Yeah, it's a good coaster. Here it is, 200 Rockin Roller, both for you, first time. And one good thing about this coaster, brilliant views. It's like waltzes, isn't it? Hey!
What Robin style?
Bonkers, isn't it? It's like the waltzes, but we're in.
It's vicious.
Yeah. Here we go, big drop coming up. And that is the Rockin Roller. So what do you think, guys?
I love it.
It's good, isn't it?
Love it. Can we go on again?
I think we'll go on again later, Millie. On the Rockin Roller. It's only my second time on this, you know, Millie. And Millie goes quiet.
Yay!
There we go, guys.
Thank you.